So I've been meaning to upgrade to a custom mechanical keyboard for a while now. And then I saw this hype about this Lego keyboard that you can build from the scratch. And the creativity really pulled me in. Today I'm going to show you how I built that Lego keyboard from scratch, give you a real sound test, and my final impression about this keyboard. And one very important key detail that you shouldn't miss before buying this keyboard. So let's get started. Before we start snapping things together, let us take a quick look at the unboxing experience. The packaging is very clean and minimal. When you open the lid, you do not see a finished keyboard. Instead, you find several bags of 3rd gen modular plastic bricks, the bare printed circuit board. It honestly feels exactly like opening a brand new toy set on your birthday. Now, let us get all these pieces sorted out on the desk and see how difficult it actually is to build. Okay, we got the base plate, the custom keycaps, the modular bricks for the main body, your switches, a yellow Type-C to Type-C USB cable, a plastic plate, the official Sachiel figure, and even a random extra minifig thrown in there. Okay, let's start with the Sachiel 30-inch minifig. Building it was pretty straightforward, and as you can see, it looks really good. Check it out. So let us start with the build. It is an 80% layout called the KBDcraft Sachiel. The stems come factory looped, and when you pair them with the included N² bomb stabilizers, there is almost zero rattle. You are snapping together dozens of plastic bricks to create the 85% case. For the trigger details, the kit comes with the custom S² Engine linear switches. They have a very smooth standard travel distance with a minimum actuation force. I have to be completely honest, it is not a perfect smooth ride. I really wish they had included cleaner instructions in the box. And because the case is literally made of plastic blocks, it does have some flex and can feel slightly flimsy. But it is a Lego style keyboard, so you have to expect that. But underneath those toy bricks, it features a fully hot-swappable PCB that is natively compatible with QMK and Wile software, meaning you can revamp every single layer without downloading heavy background programs. They also use a custom KOP keycap profile, and they included these massive 1.25U oversized arrow keys, which feels amazing for navigating timeline. Plus, you have got those 4 dedicated rotary encoders on the top. Here's the random minifig that comes with the box. I think it's called Alex. It looks pretty cool. And this guy over here is Enderman. It comes with a box, but I haven't assembled it yet. And don't forget to put those tape on the back. It provides a very good grip. And here's the keyboard in its full glory. Now let's do a quick sound check. Even with a plastic brick case, it sounds really good. At least it sounds good to my ears. So here's my final impression. At $119, it is definitely not perfect. The wide-only connection and the trick instruction might frustrate some people, but it is incredibly creative. The linear switches feel great, and having 4 fully programmable knobs for my video editing workflow is fantastic. It is a fun, unique project that actually performs. Once again, keep in mind before you buy, this is a strictly wide-only keyboard. There is no Bluetooth and a wireless battery inside. You need to plug it in directly via USB-C. Let me know in the comment section if you prefer a heavy aluminum board or something creative. I will see you in the next one.